Ni hao, food adventurers. Today, we are taking a flavorful journey to Taiwan with a Taiwanese popcorn chicken recipe that's not just easy but also incredibly delicious. Imagine bite-sized, crispy chicken pieces bursting with Taiwanese street food flavors. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm excited to guide you through this crispy and delightful culinary adventure. But before we dive into this Taiwanese delight, let's gather our ingredients. 1.25 pounds, 570 grams, boneless skinless chicken thighs sliced into bite-sized pieces. 1¼ cup potato starch or tapioca starch. 1/4 cup Thai basil or normal basil, washed and thoroughly dried. 2 cups avocado oil, or any neutral oil like vegetable oil. To make the marinade. 1 egg, white only not with yolk. 1 tablespoon garlic minced. 1 tablespoon regular soy sauce. 2 teaspoon Shaoxing wine or dry sherry wine. Can substitute it with white wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar or sherry vinegar. 2 teaspoon white granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon Chinese spice. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon white pepper. To make the spice mix. 1/2 teaspoon Chinese spice. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 white pepper. Dice chicken into bite-sized pieces about 1-inch cubes. Transfer chicken to a large bowl. Marinate chicken with egg white, garlic, regular soy sauce, Shaoxing wine or dry sherry wine, white granulated sugar, Chinese spice, salt and white pepper. Marinate for at least 30 minutes. In a separate small bowl, mix Chinese spice, salt and white pepper. Spread potato starch on a large baking sheet or plate. With wet hands, generously dredge marinated chicken into the starch. Massage the starch into the chicken until beads of starch form on the chicken. Into a wok or medium pot, add oil on medium heat. Deep fry chicken in small batches for 3-4 minutes until crispy golden brown. Do not overcrowd or it will result in non-crispy chicken. Remove chicken with a slotted spoon and transfer to wire rack or plate lined with paper towels to absorb excess oil. Quickly season with spicy mix while chicken is hot. Next, with fresh basil in one hand and a laid, oil guard in the other, drop the basil into the wok of oil and quickly cover to prevent splashback. Deep fry for 10-20 seconds. Remove and sprinkle fried basil over chicken. And there you have it, Taiwanese popcorn chicken, deliciously crispy and ready to be devoured. If you're ready to bring the vibrant flavors of Taiwanese street food to your kitchen, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more international recipes. Enjoy this crispy and delightful journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!